What all is happening here? Are we safe?
She was pushed down the stairs.
Who do such a dastardly act?
We all know now.
What are you talking about?
Are you all children? Eh? Shine your eyes. Shine your eyes. Ha! Okay, wait. Were you not all at the lecture hall yesterday? Or the day before?
Yeah. So what happens if she dies?
You will follow her. What kind of question is that?
No one is saying anyone is dead. We should just... But I'm just saying. No one is dead.
Please keep those thoughts to yourself. Keep them to yourself.
Let me just say
just gracious, fine.
Yo, in that car.
We cannot build foundations of a state without rule of law. Mahmoud Abbas. Democracy must be built through open societies that share information. When there is information, there is enlightenment. When there is debate, there are solutions. When there is no sharing of power, no rule of law, no accountability, there is abuse, corruption, subjugation, and indignation. Atifete Jajaga.
What is the relationship between the three arms of government? Yes, Ewurama.
Constructive relationships between the three arms of government are essential to the effective maintenance of the rule of the Constitution and the rule of law.
That's an interesting standpoint. I especially like the word constructive.
Doc, I have a different standpoint.
Yes, Akyiaa. By all means, let's hear yours.
This is a chance school of thought. I believe the principle of separation of powers demands that the arms be independent to each other to allow for checks and balances so that each may be a watchdog to the other.
You're right.
I am always right.
That is another essential ingredient of the relationship. Yet you would agree they must cooperate to ensure laws are passed, projects are sanctioned, and accountability is upheld. Yes, Maoli.
Sir, the executive, legislature, and judiciary must also treat each other with mutual respect. However, they must be assertive and jealously guard their unique territories. For instance, the policeman must fiercely arrest the minister for overspeeding.
I concur. a very apt illustration of democracy at its best, when each citizen must uniquely but equally empowered to form a part of the whole. Yes, Ewurama.
In other words, nobody should sleep on the job.
Welcome back.
Doc, sorry, no verse. But me, I tell yourself. Very good, and they
make nice.
But how can you connect the tragedy to that little joke?
That was the genesis. And then it's turned to second gear, crack, like that.
Hey.
They post inside the
No, be your boyfriend be that. Daddy, take a car number.
Nahimo, who did this?
Charlie, my wild. My brother Davey Doe's been killing them with his style. You know we had to link up and drop a little fire. And mine was sin, me and me on my desire. It's huge. I did flex on stage, and when I'm angry, Charlie, I did flex on rage. Well, you know what?
Ewurama.
Ewurama.
This little rat. See, I was this guy.
And that was the last straw. Then Ijeoma just went on the offensive, and the demons were released, rat-tat-tat-tat, like I got shot. When I talk, nobody believes me.
Madam ACDC.
Unbelievable. Look at the way she carries herself.
Print proof.
Hi. Hello. Hey, is she your friend? Come on. What was that about? Oh, come on. Ewurama. Hi. This girl. Oh, no.
Guys, what's ACDC?
Oh, it refers to someone who is bisexual.
Really?
So, you mean she does both men and women?
Exactly.
Hey.
Really?
She likes it.
Sorry, nervous. Give me a drink. I go.
Give me a drink.
Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a drink. Give me a You know the face. I don't see anything. You first see that face. She won't die. I too like trouble.
You certainly helped stoke the fire. Push it along.
I take offense to that. I only disseminate information to allow people make their own informed choices.
Ijeoma took it too far.
Oh, Charlie, this one the Rama is finished though. Baba, who be that Rama girl, sir? Charlie, this one they finished and cry. She do yawa, this way be yawa crowd. Guys, what's up? Ewurama when they talk say she be by selling.
Ewurama be ever.
No, not for joke, man. If they are what they go talk. Who that?
Ewurama.
What be this? Charlie. This be serious matter.
So, what are you trying to say? That Ewurama pushed her?
Your conclusion, oh. But I won't begrudge you for thinking it.
There are some things I think you should say.
Mekai.
Let me see. So, what do we do now?
Who is calling?
Hello? She's still in coma? Bones in her neck are broken?
Jesus! Why are you all looking at me like that?
Thank you very much. Sure.
See what you
Thank
started.
you. Thank you very much.
I told you not to start this thing.
Start what? I only reported what I saw and heard.
Now you see what your reportage has caused.
Pure sentiments.
Which pure sentiments?
The facts point to a clear culprit.
Ewurama.
Please, we've got nothing concrete on her. It's all circumstantial.
Baby.
Whatever. What?
Detective Sampana, I'm in charge of this alleged homicide. Who is Akyiaa? You're Akyiaa? Okay. I'll take it from here.
Chantal, now they're saying I'm a murderer. I know you didn't murder anybody, but tell me, where were you during that period? Are you also tried? No. It's for your own alibi. You know, I just came from the studio. I was right here, Chantal, right here studying. Alone? Of course I was alone. Come in.
It's open. Yes.
Hello, ladies. A testing night, huh? Detective Kojo Sampana is my name. Which of you is Ewurama? Ewurama, I'm afraid you have to follow me down to the station for questioning.
What for?
For the attempted murder of Miss Olisi Ijeoma. And it has to be now, please.
Mon Dieu. Alright. Chantal, please call the lawyer.
I will, don't worry.
Why am I here?
They say you are the #1 suspect.
How well do you know Ewurama Mensah?
Very, very well. We have been at the Umoja house for 2 years now. Why did you send those text messages to her? Threatening text, they have those. Plus, they have a witness who claims to have heard you boasting about your underground connections.
How has the relationship between Ewurama and Miss Olisi, Ijeoma, been?
Hostile, to say the least.
Why do you say that?
Because they're always at each other's throat.
Do I look like a murderer?
That slip, the text messages you sent, plus claims from most girls of bad blood between you two, purely circumstantial though.
That is why you have to get me out of here. God.
I am working on it.
I will teach that girl a lesson she'll never forget. She doesn't know who she's dealing with.
Who?
Ijeoma, of course.
Ewurama, I've told you countless times to stop this tussle with Ijeoma. When you're born killing elephants, don't go chasing rats to get hurt.
That is good advice in the long term. Point is, if I don't kill these rats today, it won't allow me to kill that elephant.
Save your energy for the real reason why you're here.
Don't worry. I don't need to lift a finger. I know just the people for the job. All I need is a phone call to change her sleeping place one time. One time. She doesn't know who she's messing with there.
Let's go over your movements during the critical time. According to the police records, the incident happened at approximately 2200 hours, that is 10 p.m. What exactly were you doing at that time?
Could Ewurama push Ijeoma down the stairs on purpose?
Yes, absolutely. Because I know she is in a very, very violent lesbian relationship.
Who do you mean?
VVIP.
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo. Pass me the palm wine. Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we they do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time, where I just go on through the way. So